Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. How to check a gill net under the ice. Another net here we got. Yeah, it's coming along. Whoa, one picker over there. Dustin's pulling the net. That's a big walleye on there. Oh, we got a pike right there. Whitefish. Yeah, we'll get some footage for you folks. Stay tuned. Another whitefish. Nice. Oh, fresh one right there. Oh, nice jack. Should be good, Dustin. Yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the first pull of the net. Yeah. Dustin's working hard, almost done. One more fish, walleyes, whitefish. Scotty's working hard. Sam's sitting. Yeah. Oh, suckerfish. We'll get that one off. Yeah. Yeah. Sam likes throwing those back in. Yeah, it's coming up, folks. We're working hard. Yeah, Sam's gonna throw that back in. Push it down. Throw it down, Sam. Yeah. There he goes. Look at Tullaby. That's the color, folks. Tullaby. Shiny one.
There's two of them over there.
Whitefish and Tullaby. Yeah, another one. Okay. We're gonna take off some fish.
And I'm gonna eat it all.
Yeah. Oh, look at his belly. Oh, full of fish. Oh, yeah. That's my cousin, Dustin over there. Sam there, another cousin. Yeah, he's throwing those in. Yeah. Yeah, he's comical. Yeah, we're getting some catch. A lot more you can see, folks. This is a wider net, a better net. Yeah. Here's that fish again, the Tullaby. Get a close up. Oh, he was stiff. He's caught last night. Nice. Right there, folks. You can tell by the color. That's a Tullaby whitefish, I'm pretty sure. And that's a whitefish. Yeah. There's another one. Sam's getting them suckers back in. Release them nice and slow, Sam. Show the folks how gentle you are with them. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's just giving. Yeah. They slowly float away slowly. Yeah. Yeah. We're working away. We're coming along. Yeah. Dustin's working hard.
Do good work, but very little.
Yeah. He's good and working hard for his fish. So what? Got tangled good, eh? Here, try my tool. Yeah. What you did when at work, Dustin?
Huh?
What you did this shift at work? Nothing?
This shift?
Just monitor the wells?
Yeah, just at the plant, just night shift.
No problems?
A little bit.
Oh, not major?
No.
Fixable, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Nice.
Took time off to go fishing. 3 days, holidays, fishing holidays.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's always nice to get out here while the winter road is in. After, it's going to be March soon. The road's going to melt, folks. We won't come out here. It's my second time up here.
My third time this year.
Oh, your third time? Oh, that's good. There's a fish. Oh, you guys came the first time. It was cold, eh? How cold?
No, 40 below.
40 below, eh? That was crazy. In one video, you can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one there was yeah. Oh, that was good in the frying pan. Well, how would you cook it?
Cheeks.
How would you cook it, like in the frying pan and stuff?
Sometimes it's just me.
Yeah.
Not too many, me and the woman, the
Yeah.
kids, they just cut off the tail.
Oh yeah. Well, you put what kind of seasoning?
Salt, pepper.
You buy a seasoning thing?
Yeah.
Mix?
Back Eddies.
Back
from the
Eddies?
Hay River.
Oh yeah, I gotta try that. Back
They don't
Eddies.
sponsor us, but if Back Eddies sponsor us,
Yeah.
boy, we'll just be cooking everything. We'll cook up tonight on the fish. We had Back Eddies a couple nights ago.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
Sometimes I
fun.
just cut the tail off, just cook
Yeah.
the tail.
No
save the
bones
rest
on
for
the tail,
later.
eh?
Yeah.
Nice eating, yeah.
Grandma said she wanted pickerel. She said,
Oh yeah.
kids can't eat pickerels. She said, my grandma.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Maybe they just want the pickerel though.
Yeah. Good way to do it, yeah. Yeah.
We
Alrighty.
got one more over here.
Right there. We got two more there. Do that one, Sam. It'll go faster. I want to help, but I have to film. Or we'll have no footage, folks. Filming for you.
We found the hole.
Filming for the subscribers and the supporters.
We found where the fish went in. This is where he swam in.
Trying to bring you value. Hunting, fishing, boating, snaring, trapping, cooking, and fishing. He's trying to be funny. My cousin's trying to be funny. Yeah, yeah. Check his channel out. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, good day. We zigzag the net so we don't have to walk way back there. That's a good educational. Folks, if you go like that, you just pull it. You don't have to go way down there. I just see that now. Good idea. There's our fish count for now. It's coming along. Bigger net. Yeah. Yeah. It's coming along. We'll pull some more fish out, folks. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. The big guy. Oh, that one you can take off right away. Put him in. Sucker fish. Oh, nice. Oh, lift it up. Yeah. Yeah, Sam. Get some footage of Sam. Wow, nice. Should be good, should be good. We'll get that off. Yeah. Should be good, Sam. Yeah, we'll get those, folks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish to take off again. Yep. All right, folks, I think I'll stay on the camera for you guys. Get you guys some more footage. Right here. Yeah. Hello, Scotty. Hello. Hello, Dustin. Yeah, Fishman, yeah. Dustin said Scotty's Fishman. And what would be Sam?
Yeah, he's everything.
Oh yeah, everything, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Bushman. Sam is.
All around bushman.
Yeah. There you go. Fabian chunky layer down there. I don't know if you can see him. I'll zoom in for you guys. Yeah, right there they are. They're setting the net too. Wow. Scotty.
Dinner.
Dinner?
Dinner.
Nice.
Midnight snack.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll get this pulled back for you. Right there, yeah. 2 more there. Dustin's coming along. Our fish count's coming up, folks. We're very grateful. We'll share with the community and give to the elders. Yeah. We'll have to give up our fish, eh? Yeah, we'll Keep a little and give a lot. Yeah. Working hard for our fish again, folks. Had to lift all our skidoos on the truck. Had to borrow a sleigh. Had to prime and pull that like 100 times. And that one, and that one, and that one. That's skidoos. Yeah. We're getting her done though. And we're fighting the elements, 25 below. Oh, he's pulling it up. Oh, he got another walleye there. Should be just about. Yeah, pull. Oh, nice. Look at that. Another pull of the net, folks. Sam's gonna go check the reel on the other side.
Where's Scott?
This side tangled up.
Must be shallow.
Yeah. A current, eh? Twisted maybe. Close to the end. Yeah. Alrighty, folks. We're gonna continue on. I'll take that off while I'm waiting. Sam's going on the other side. Check the net. Check the string. Got caught. Can't come out anymore. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah, yeah. Like pegs or something, eh?
Put 2x6 on the bottom, just pushing the snow harder.
Yeah. Might be dangerous when it's in the back. You gotta watch that. How you design it. It should work like that. Kind of spools out good. Yeah, it's coming along.
We got reel it in now, we're end of the line.
Oh yeah, oh, we're done. When we put it back in, it's all tangled there. We fix it, then we pull it back in. Step on it. There it is. Here, I can grab that. Oh, thank you. Can I have that? Oh, right for my pan. Thank you, Scotty. Yeah, good man. Thank you, Dustin. Yeah, there's our fish catch. We'll get a count when we are done, or I'll fix them straight for you guys, folks, and we'll count them. We'll keep the camera on the boys. I went over there, folks. I went over there, get us that bush, that big timber over there. There's a moose in that timber. He's walking around the edge. I seen him there. As soon as I see moose, they take off. Yeah, I think so. I woke up early today, nothing. Yeah, getting the net in, folks. Getting some footage for you. All right, folks, we got the net. There's Scotty boy, Scotty man. Yeah, right there, we got it in. There's our contraption. It'll work. Yeah, Sam's coming back. Here's our fish count. We got 4 walleye, 2 pike, and the rest whitefish. Yeah. There's Sam. There's Sam. You got her done, Sam? Good job. Good job, Sam. Good job, Dustin. Good job, Scotty. Yeah. Wanna come hold this? Here, hold this for us. Right here. Right here. Right here.
No, way back here.
Right here, my.
I'll go way back there.
Okay, right there.
All good, Sam.
I know.
Come closer, you can see us.
It's good.
I gotta get in there to talk.
It's good.
Okay. Stand here. Yeah. All right, folks. That concludes our video. How to check a gillnet under the ice. Hope you enjoyed the video out here on Bistro Lake, Northern Alberta. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like. Just trying to be ourselves and create content that people like to see. We will give this fish to the elders and who needs it. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.
It's marketable skills you could use for the rest of your life.
Yeah. How does it go? Like when you teach others, they'll feed themselves, or you give them.
Teach a man if you give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day.
Yeah.
Teach a man to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime.
Yeah. There you go. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's true. All right, folks. Bye for now. Yeah, that's good.
It'll look good. Yeah. What do you say, boy?
Good.
Yeah.
Sam's ready to
I
go.
said let's load up, go back to the cabin and eat some fish.
We're gonna go see what Sheldon cooked for us. He kept the cabin warm while we're here.
Yeah. Nice. Oh. Buffalo on the road. Oh, whoa. Look at that buffalo running, folks. Just heading home from fishing. Just giving her. Galvin, they run pretty fast. There's some back here. I'll back up a little. Folks, there's a bunch back here. There's a bunch right there. Folks. They're coming to the road and they stop. They're walking this way to the road. Oh, zoom in. Yeah. They're coming this way, and way over there, those other ones ran. There's a bunch back here. Right here. Right there, a bunch back there. Yeah, right there. One bunch there. One bunch here. And there's a bunch way back there. And right in here, there's a mother and like 3 calves. Yeah, buffalo. Oh, they heard me. They're moving back. These are the ones they ran. They're running fast. That one got the collar on them. They tracked the herd. There's 4 big bulls. They're chasing each other, running. They just ran real way. They ran all the way down this road, way in that field and back this way. Now they're running like that way. They're breaking trail, taking turns. They're big bulls. Yeah, all right. The other bunches back there. Cool.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.